a lot of you asked for more challenge. So today, we do the pizza challenge with Princess Belle and Queen Elsa. So I went to the grocery store and I bought a lot of special ingredients in those bags. So let's get started. Let's go!
Hey guys, so today I'm here with Belle, and Spider-Man told us that we were going to do the pizza challenge, which we're really excited about. Alors tout le monde, aujourd'hui nous allons faire le pizza challenge. Yay! Oh!
Hello girls.
Hey Spider-Man!
I got your pizza.
Thank you!
Have fun, okay?
Yeah,
See you
for
later.
sure. Oh look guys, it's only tomato sauce and cheese pizza. Now it's time to see which ingredients we're gonna add to it. And I think we should do a rock, paper, scissors to choose which one of us is going to pick the first number. Rock, paper, scissors. It's you. Numéro 8, number 8. Which is this bag. Let's see your first ingredient. Oh, lucky you! It's bacon, guys. I do really like bacon on my pizza.
¿Qué es eso?
Okay, it's my turn now. I hope I will be as lucky as you. Number 10. Whew, wish me luck. Oh, it's goldfish. I love goldfish. Yummy. Let's go.
Ya tenemos una idea.
Wow, number 3. It's quite heavy. Oh, chocolate syrup. Oh.
Yeah.
Chocolate on a pizza. Okay, my turn.
Master.
Number 6. Let's see what's in bag number 6.
Dad, tú me reempujas.
It's a banana! I love bananas, but on a pizza? Really? Not sure. Okay. Number 4. Let's see who's laughing now.